Hello everyone, today I will show you how to publish Bolt app on App Store. First, open the Bolt website and log into your account. Give it a prompt to create your app and make sure to mention that it will be a mobile app. Bolt will take a few minutes to generate your app based on your prompt, and once it is ready, you will have a working mobile app created automatically. The app that Bolt creates is an Expo app, which means it is ready to be built and deployed using Expo tools. After your Bolt app is ready and built as an Expo app, you can submit it to the Apple App Store directly from your computer. First, you need to make sure all prerequisites are completed, such as having an Expo account, ESCLI installed, and an Apple developer account with a registered app in App Store Connect. Once everything is ready, you can run the command ES submit platform IOs in your terminal. This command will guide you step by step through submitting your app. You can also configure a submission profile in EAS.j as O in by adding your App Store Connect app ID under the ASC Appit field. To make the process even faster, you can use the Auto Submit flag when building the app. For example, running EAS Build Platform iOS Auto Submit will build your app and automatically submit it to the App Store after the build completes. This eliminates the need for manual submission steps. If needed, manual submission is also possible. You can take the built app and upload it to the App Store from a macOS device, for example, using Apple's Transporter app. This can be useful if the ES submission service is temporarily unavailable. Thanks for watching.